Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell, or buy, or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell.
Hi, I'm Tony. Thank you so much for opening this video. Today, we bring you another great opportunity in real estate. We have a detached 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home for sale in the Vineyards estate. The Vineyards is located about 16 minutes drive from the town of Old Harbour and about 3 minutes drive from the Vineyards toll plaza. Did you know that the town of Old Harbour was originally called Esquivel when Jamaica was Spanish owned? Now, the Vineyards estate was built by New Era Homes in 2005 and features 300 homes. An interesting feature about the community is that the roads are named after fruits such as pineapple, grape, apple, and mangoes. It's a well-established community where many homeowners have done wonderful additions to their homes, and this house offers the same opportunity as land space is large enough to do a really nice addition. Let's head inside. Here we have the living room with 2 nice sized windows. The home is tiled throughout and is fully grilled. Safety first. There are 2 standard sized bedrooms. The front bedroom has 2 windows, while the back bedroom has 1. Between the 2 bedrooms, there's a standard 3-piece bathroom. The kitchen features wooden upper and lower cabinets with a nice peninsula that helps separate the living space. There is also a space for your washing machine. Not sure where the Vineyards is? Don't worry, at the end of this video, we do a short drive up showing you exactly where this property is located. This home is also priced to sell, so if you have your mortgage pre-approval letter and your deposit ready, don't hesitate to give me a call. Remember, the number is 876-370-8138. And remember, be great to yourself and always buy real estate.